Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and a short video. By the way, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. If you are also looking to download free forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that, please see the links in the description box below. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, so the free forex robots, books, courses, everything that you're going to download from those links is for free. Okay, let's get on with the video. In today's quick video, I'm going to just talk about the 3 forex pairs that I'm going to be focusing on in 2023. I would like to hear the forex pairs that you're going to be focusing on in 2023, so leave your comments in the comment section below. So here I've got 4, but it's actually not 4 because nobody trades the dollar index. I mean, you can trade the dollar index, but really nobody trades the dollar index. The dollar index, I have it here because I use it as a guide, as a measurement, as something, a tool to help with my bias. What am I saying? I want you to pay attention to what's happening here on the dollar index. I want you to pay attention to what's happening here. Let's just go to Euro USD. Watch. Is it magic? Watch. See what's happening on Euro USD here. See what's happening on the dollar index. So if you have no idea of trading for the day, or you have no idea of what to trade, trust me, what you can just do is do yourself a favor and wake up in the morning, put the dollar index on your chart and put Euro USD on your chart. Again, maybe you might think that it's me who is faking this. I want you right now to put Euro USD on the side and the dollar index on the side. You tell me that they will look the same, just that the other one is in the opposite direction and the other one is in the opposite direction. So let's say you just wake up and you're short on time, you have not done any analysis and stuff like that. You probably just put the dollar index on your chart and look, probably your bias says it's probably going to go this way. Then it means that the moment you say that, it means you are expecting Euro USD to drop. That's how easy it is to trade with the dollar index. Especially, let's say you just want a simple forex pair to trade. Euro USD, put it on the side and take the dollar index and put it on the side. Before you start doing your analysis and everything else, trust me, you would have at least an idea of where probably the market is going to go, and you can probably find a trade with that. From what I'm saying, what you probably can gauge is that this year I am focusing on simplicity. I'm focusing on simplifying my trading. I have other businesses that I'm doing and other businesses that I'm trying to grow this year, so I'm just focusing on simplicity, simplifying my trading. By the way, don't just rely on trading income. I always tell people, don't just rely on trading income. Bad idea. What you want to do is also have the money that you're making in trading sitting in other businesses somewhere else. Don't just rely on money from trading. So I'm trying to grow some other projects, I'm trying to do some other things on the side. So this year I'm focusing on simplifying my trading, which also brings me to my system here that I'm using. I've shared this system on my blogs. The links are in the description box below. I think I've also shown you how I use this system with videos on this channel, so look for those videos if you want to dig more into how I use this system to trade. It's basically trading key levels to key levels. I call it zone to zone. I just try to catch a buy from here, for example, and see if I can get a take profit there. Maybe take a sell there and take profit there. Simple. I'm not trying to complicate myself. I know today today smart money concept is big. Back in the day, there was another concept that was big. Then there was Beat the Market Maker. There are always these new concepts that are trending, and I'm trying to simplify my trading. I've done that. I've seen that. I've tested it. But I'm trying to simplify my trading. And after Euro USD, I'm also trading silver and gold. Gold is because gold, I love the way gold moves. You can make good money with gold, and it does move every day. It pays. Gold pays. If you are not big on trading indices, if you find US 30 too risky, if you find German 40 too risky, I've traded those ones as well. If you find NAS 100 too risky and stuff, you can maybe dial down on the risk and trade gold and still relatively get the same kind of volatility and movement. Of course, you probably are not going to quickly make money or quickly lose money like people trading the indices, but gold does pay. The same with silver. Silver is a bit temperamental than gold. Trust me, silver is a bit temperamental than gold, but you can trade silver. It's a smaller market. So what I noticed with silver is sometimes gold moves, and silver will start moving a bit later, but when it does move, it pays. In terms of pip value, silver pays. If you're somebody who aims for maybe just 10 pips, you have a strategy where you just aim for just 10 pips, you'll find that 10 pips on silver, they pay way more than 10 pips on Euro USD, GBP USD, or AUD USD, USD JPY, and normal forex pairs. Even on gold, silver pays, but it's also a bit risky, and sometimes you might be stuck for some time with a trade that's not moving. So the forex pairs that I'm measuring in this year is gold, silver, Euro USD, and I've got USDX, which is the dollar index. Some call it USDXY, some call it dollar index, my broker calls it USDX. It's one and the same thing. It's the dollar index. So I'm just measuring on these three, but if I just happen to see an opportunity, say on USD JPY, I might take it here and there. If I see something on AUD USD, I might also as well take it. GBP USD is a good one as well. The idea is you want to limit the number of forex pairs that you're going to be trading with. I know many people love to trade all the 50 something pairs, 100 something pairs that is offered by their broker. It's a bad idea. These forex pairs are like people. What you want to do is to try and find only one or two or three or maybe up to 5 if you really want a lot of forex pairs. Maybe up to 5 pairs, because you want to understand how they move, why they move, what moves them, their characteristics, their moods, their behaviors. And it's hard to do that if you've got 20 pairs that you are looking at. That's why you sometimes get caught out, because you thought the forex pairs, they just move the same. No, they don't. Like I said, on silver, you are taking in more risk than on Euro USD, for example. Or you actually can make more money easily on silver than you can on Euro USD. So it's those differences that you need to pay attention to. So you need to actually have one pair, two pairs, three pairs. What pairs are you trading this year, 2023? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.